Hello everyone, welcome to this Tower TV buying guide for the Tamiya on-road semi-truck, or better known as the Euro truck. Now, the reason I've got this Euro truck on the table is because this is actually a very big on-road racing class. So at your big on-road races, this is like a second or third class that people like to have fun with. Everything stock, you have to run the stock motor, stock ESC. It doesn't come with a servo, so you can put whatever servo you want in there. You run it on a LiPo. You can put some bearings in it, and that's it. That's all you can run. Of course, you can do some setup stuff to it, but there's not much you can do. It's just kind of a base platform to start racing with. So it is on the TT01 chassis, which has been around the Tamiya lineup for many, many years. Pretty basic chassis, easy to put together. Probably took me an hour to put together. Not very many tricky things to do on the assembly of the kit. You got to glue the tires, paint the body. That's probably the hardest thing to do. It's not that difficult. It does recommend you paint it blue and white, but we painted it red and white to match our tower colors. Just a cute little thing that we did there. Don't harp on my painting skills too bad because they're not the greatest, but I tried my best. The one thing I do like about the Tamiya bodies so much is that you can do a lot of scale details on them. So as you can tell in the engine bay and kind of the frame rails, I painted kind of more of a scale look to make them look a bit neater, a bit cooler. So that's one cool thing that I like about the Tamiya Euro truck and all the Tamiya cars. The one nice thing about this ESC that the Tamiya TT01 comes with is that it's brushed and brushless capable. So if you just want to run brushed, you can plug the two brushed ports into the two wires that the brush motor will run off of. And if you want to run brushless, you just plug all three wires into the ESC, change some settings, and you're good to go. So that's a nice thing with that ESC that it comes with, is that you can run a brushless motor or a brushed motor. And you can also run a nickel metal hydride battery or a LiPo battery. I had to Dremel out the chassis a little bit just to get the battery to sit all the way level on the chassis. Not a big deal. Just Dremeled out some of the hold downs for a nickel metal pack. Pretty easy to do, took me like 5 minutes, not hard. Just a cool thing that you can adjust on the car and to get a LiPo to fit. Now the other thing that I think people don't really take into consideration is that just because this is a Euro truck doesn't mean you can't throw another body on it. The chassis for most of Tamiya's on-road cars are pretty much the same. The TT01 and the TT02 are the two most popular on-road Tamiya cars. So you can just get different body posts, different bumpers and wheels, and completely change the way that you want your car to look. So maybe if you want to put, let's say, a Porsche body on it, you could get a Porsche body, get some different body posts, different wheels, different front bumper, and you could change it up and put whatever body you want on it, like that Porsche body. So that's a pretty cool option with all the Tamiya kits. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. There's not much to the Tamiya car. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. Like I said, it's a pretty popular racing class just because it's so easy and simple. Gets a lot of people into the hobby, which is a very awesome thing for us hobbyists. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.